Hello everyone, welcome to GATE Academy. I am Gopal Sharma, Faculty of Mechanical Engineering in GATE Academy. And in this video, I will be telling you about the 2-year test series program for mechanical engineering. Okay, so watch the video. So to get the information regarding the 2-year test series program, I will be covering what are the essentials, okay, what are the advantages of taking this course. Every aspect of the test series program will be covered in this video. So if you are interested, then watch the video till the end. Okay, so as you can see that there will be 100 plus quality tests. So there is very large number of question papers that will be there in the test series program. Okay, and this test series is specifically programmed for the third year students. Okay, so those students who have just appeared in the fourth semester exam and now they are entering into the third semester of engineering, they can get benefited through this test series. Okay, because for a third year student, they have almost 2 years, you can say, for their GATE examination. So they have sufficient time to plan properly and to execute the plan accordingly. Okay, so they have an advantage over the final students because they have more time. Okay, also they have already learned some fundamental subject like strength of material, fluid mechanics, thermodynamics in the third and fourth semester. So now they can move on for the core subjects like machine design, heat and mass transfer, which will be there in the third year. Some subjects will be in the seventh semester, that is final year. So they will be facing the number of core subjects also time to time. Okay, and as they have sufficient time, so they can manage properly the university exam, okay, and the GATE examination. So the preparation of GATE examination along with the university will be easier to the third year students as compared to the final students. Okay, so third year student will be having an advantage over the final year students. Okay, so that is why they must have a test series so that they can guide themselves, they can analyze themselves, whatever is the progress in a particular subject, they can check the progress of themselves in that particular subject, as test series helps you to check your knowledge. Okay, after practicing number of questions, after reading number of books, after watching number of lectures, you must have a large content in a subject. Okay, now the thing is you need to apply all the concepts, all the content that you have collected from the various sources in the GATE examination. So how to implement your knowledge, how to implement your concept in real time in GATE examination, that is important. Okay, so just practicing the question, just reading the books, just learning the concept will not help you to get a good rank in GATE examination. So in order to get a good rank, you must be able to implement that particular concept at a particular question in a environment like GATE examination. Okay, so this test series will make you feel like you are giving the GATE examination. So the interface of the test series in the website is just like the GATE examination. You will feel that you are giving the GATE examination only. Okay, so the difference in the GATE examination and the test series is zero, you can say. There is no difference. The interface is same as that of the GATE examination. Okay, now what is the advantage of taking any GATE based test series? Okay, so the test series have a separate portion, that is analytics. If you complete a particular test, then you can analyze your performance during that particular test. Okay, you can compare your rank, you can compare your timings, how much time you have taken in a particular segment or a particular section as compared to the topper. This type of analytic, the critical analysis, will be there in the test series program. So if you are preparing for examination, so only reading, as I've told you, that only reading the textbooks, only going through the concepts will not help you to attain a great rank in the GATE examination. You must be very competitive with all the other students across India. Okay, so in order to be a competitive candidate, you must be aware of your strengths, you must be aware of your weaknesses. Okay, and this is only possible when you have an statistical data, you have a proper analysis of your performance. Okay, so when you give a particular test, there will be a analysis part where entire behavior of yours will be analyzed. Okay, so we will be monitoring your performance throughout the test series. How much time you have taken in a particular subject, that kind of information will be there. Okay, what are your weak zones in a particular subject, that will be there in the analysis part of the test series. Okay, so these are the various advantages, and after knowing all these factual data, you can improve yourself actually. Okay, so if you know what are your weak zones, okay, what are your mistakes, and how you can just find all the information, regarding your performance. So that statistical data is very useful. Okay, so that is statistical data available after giving the test will be helpful for a proper benchmarking. Okay, so the competitive student will be having a better perspective. Okay, if you are not that competent, then in that case you will be only reading the books, you will be only learning the concepts, and you will not be able to apply those concepts while giving an examination. Look, my dear students, applying a concept while practicing a particular topic, like you have completed a particular topic, let us say of strength of metal, you have completed bending. Okay, then you know what bending equation is, you know what section modulus is, and now you have a book, you are solving all the practice questions available in that book. That is a different thing. But after learning all this concept, after practicing for hours, applying those concepts in the environment like the GATE examination is bit difficult, is very different. Okay, so this difference will be helping you to prepare in a proper way. Okay, so to take all these advantage, the first step is to get registered. Okay, is to get registered. So first make yourself registered in the website, and the link for the test series is there in the description box. So just follow the link to register yourself for the 2-year test series program. Okay, now after you are registered, we have planned very differently for 2 years students. Okay, so there will be number of stages in your test series program. So first stage is the topic wise test series. In first stage you will be having topic wise test series. In this, what will happen? In topic wise test series, you will see that the entire subject of a particular subject will be divided into 2 halves. First half will be covering the 50% of a particular subject, and second half will be the remaining 50% of a particular subject. So there will be test number 1 and test number 2 for a particular subject. So each test will be carrying 50% of syllabus. Okay, so hence you will be having 2 papers for a single subject. Now, what is the advantage of the stage number 1? As we know that at the very beginning of the preparation, you cannot expect from a student that he will be having a very good command over a particular subject. Okay, this is not possible. Okay, so the feasibility of the problem, okay, the feasibility of solution actually is just like that. A student will be having only some fundamental level of understanding of the subject. He cannot have just the entire concept of a particular subject. So that is why at the very beginning we can expect that, okay, if he has completed a particular subject, he must be having some fundamental knowledge, he must be having a command over formulas, and he will be able to apply some basic level concepts of the subject into a particular numerical problem. Okay, so that is why we have planned this level of test papers. So in this you will be having some easy questions like direct formula based questions will be there, some theoretical concept questions will be there, also some tricky questions will be there, but overall the level will be from easy to moderate. From easy to moderate level papers will be there, just to boost up your confidence, just to grab your attention that what areas of the subject needs more attention, how you can implement the formula that you have learned, how you can implement the theoretical concept that you have learned. That will be the prime concern of this stage number 1. So this will be, first of all, this will be boosting your confidence. This will be giving you an idea about how to attend a test series, how to manage time at the very beginning. So it will be giving you an idea about time management, about implementing the formulas, the concept, all these types of informations and the strategical things will be involved in this stage. Okay, so these are the advantage of stage number 1. Now, once you have completed the stage number 1, you will be entering the stage number 2. Now, let me tell you, in stage number 1, there will be total 25 number of tests. Okay, 25 tests will be there. Okay, so as there are 12 subjects basically, so each subject will be having 2 tests, that is test number 1 and test number 2. Now, there is a subject that is manufacturing science, or you can say production engineering. The subject of production engineering have a very vast syllabus. So that is why we have an extra number of tests for the production. That is, in production engineering you will see test number 1, 2 and 3. So hence the total number of tests becomes 25. Okay, so into 2 that is 24 plus 1 extra from the manufacturing, that makes it 25. Okay, so 25 test series will be there. Now, after completion of stage number 1, okay, you can go for stage number 2. Now, as I have told you, the entire test series will not be available at once. We will be uploading the various tests. The various test papers will be active from time to time. Okay, so gradually you will be having access to number of test papers. Now, in stage number 2, you will be having subject-wise test series and the level will be moderate. Moderate means there will be combination of some easy question and some difficult question. Difficult means if we look in the perspective of GATE, so as per GATE perspective, the difficult means more tricky question. Okay, difficult doesn't mean there will be a lot of calculations, there will be a lot of derivation part. No, it is not like that. In GATE examination, if you say some questions are difficult, then those questions are definitely very tricky. They need more attention. They mean a great aptitude knowledge of engineering. And hence, the candidates who have a very proper learning, have a proper approach, only they can solve the problem. Okay. Also, the solutions will be available for the subject. So, if you fail to solve any particular problem, then you will be having a detailed solution of that particular question. So, you won't be facing any problem in any particular test. Okay. So, these test papers will be having easy questions and some difficult question, and there will be some mixture of that. So, overall the level of the entire paper will be moderate. Okay, as there are number of easy questions also, there are some tricky questions also. So, the overall level will be moderate. Okay. Now, here the test paper in the subject wise, if we talk about the subject wise test, so this subject wise test will be covering 100% of the syllabus. 100% of syllabus means 100% syllabus of a particular subject. Okay, as this is a subject wise test, so this will be covering 100% syllabus of a particular subject. Okay, as in stage number 1, we have divided the syllabus into 50-50%. Now we have merged the entire syllabus. Okay, so there will be only a single paper for a subject. Now, here, as you can see, that initially we have very basic level of understanding. That is why that stage number 1 was there. Now here, now we are more aware. We are more concerned about the test. So hence, here you can see that level is a bit difficult. So just like a video game, we are moving in a higher number of stages, and we will be facing more challenges. So the stage 2 will be more challenging as compared to stage number 1. Clear? Now, so this will be covering the entire syllabus of a particular subject. So here are the subjects for which we will be having tests, that is maths, aptitude, strength of material, heat and mass transfer, engineering mechanics, machine design, theory of machine, production engineering, industrial engineering, fluid mechanics and fluid machinery, basic thermodynamics and applied thermodynamics. So these will be the various subjects for which you will be having a moderate level test paper in stage number 2. Clear? So after completion of stage number 2, we will be entering to the stage number 3, that is combined subject test. Okay, so in combined subject test, there will be combination of different subjects in a test paper. As you can see that in GATE examination, you will be facing all the subjects at a time. There will be 65 questions which needs to be solved within 3 hours. Okay, so that is a different thing. But as we are preparing for the examination, so we are moving in a gradual manner. Initially, we have discussed the subject in parts. That means there was a topic wise test. We have covered only 50% of the syllabus at a time, and after that we have a subject wise test where we have completed a single subject, and here we had 100% of the syllabus. Now the next steps comes, that is stage number 3. So in stage number 3, you will be having combination of various subjects. Okay, as we have to deal with number of subjects at a time, so we are just preparing ourselves. Okay, so we are not doing all of the sudden preparation. We are just moving in a gradual manner. So what will happen? We will just take n number of subjects at a time. So here we have planned for 2 subjects at a time. So we have made certain combinations. For those, we will be having a moderate level paper. A moderate level paper will be there. Okay, so we have combinations like math plus aptitude, strength of material plus machine design, engineering mechanics plus theory of machine, fluid mechanics plus fluid machinery, heat and mass transfer plus basic thermodynamics, production engineering plus industrial engineering, applied thermodynamics and fluid mechanics. So after completion of these types of tests, you will be able to handle different types of subject at a time, because in GATE examination you must be prepared to tackle number of questions from number of subjects. Okay, so this is more fundamental in nature. So this will be helping you to boost up your preparation and to get an idea about the actual condition in GATE examination. So after completion of this combined subject test, you will be entering to the 4th stage, that is confidence builders. Now what is this? What is the need of confidence builder mock test? So in this stage as we know that after previous stage, because the stage number 2 and stage number 3 was a moderate level test, so it may have some difficult level questions, some tricky questions. So some students may get demotivated that they are not able to perform well, they are not able to achieve a question, they are not able to attempt properly. So there will be a number of problems to certain students. Okay, so in many of cases we have seen, as a teacher we have seen that many times a student fails to grab the confidence. Now it is very important to have confidence while the preparation and also while giving the gate examination. So a student must not lose the confidence. So the thing is, if he is able to solve the question, if he is able to solve more number of question in less time, then he will be more confident. If he's not able to solve any of the question of any certain test series or any test paper, then definitely he is going to lose the confidence. So these 10 mock test papers will be very helpful for the students to grab confidence. Okay, now these 10 mock test papers will be combination of previous year GATE, ESE, SSC, JEE and RRB JEE examination. So the excellent questions, the most important question, or you can say the most conceptual or very good questions from these examination will be selected in a random manner. Okay, now after that we will move to our next stage, that is stage number 5, where we will be having some subject wise test. Again, as previously we have dealt with the subject wise test in a moderate level, now for the same subjects we will be dealing with some advanced level problems in this stage. Okay, now after this stage you will be having a number of questions in advanced level. As in GATE examination, there may be some difficult questions, there may be some easy question. The entire GATE paper may be very difficult or it may be very easy. So we don't have any idea, so we cannot be certain about the GATE examination pattern. Okay, so that is why we must be prepared for the different levels of difficulty. The paper may be wanted, it may be easy, it may be difficult. Okay, so that is why there will be different levels of questions. So stage number 5, that is subject wise advanced level, will help you to just make sure that you are able to solve some advanced level problems. Okay, so after completion of stage number 5, you will be entering this stage number 6, where you will be seeing again the combined subject test. Okay, again you will be having the combined subject test. The combination will be same as that of the previous moderate level test, and you will be having 14 advanced level tests. Advanced level tests will be there. Okay, again the level of difficulty will be higher as compared to the previous combined test. Now after completion of the stage number 6, you will be entering the final level, that is the stage number 7, where you will be having the full length mock test, and there will be 15 mock tests. 15 mock tests will be there. Okay, now what is mock test? So here you will be covering the 100% of the syllabus. It is not a subject based test, it is not a combined subject test, it is the 100% GATE syllabus test. Okay, so here you will be having the 100% syllabus of your GATE examination. All the subjects will be involved in a particular test papers, and as there are different papers, mock 1 to mock 15, there will be different types of question, and as 65 questions will be there in a single paper, and you have to solve all those 65 questions within 3 hours. Okay, so 65 into 15 questions will be there actually. So after completion of these test series, you will be having a large collection of questions, a variety of questions are there. And as I've told you, in test series you can analyze your performance, you can go to the analytics part of the test series. Okay, after completion of any of the tests, at any time you can analyze yourself. If you want to know that what was your performance in the very first test series, very first test paper, you can say, so that is also possible. Just go to your profile, your account, okay, and just visit the analytics part and just analyze your performance in any respective test paper. Okay, so after ending of these 15 mock tests and the entire test series for 2 years, you will be having a better idea as compared to those students who are not giving any of the test.